Spending hours and hours posting but nobody's liking, commenting, or sharing, it's not your business. It's probably these three mistakes that are silently killing your engagement. Mistake number one, posting without a hook. If your first line doesn't grab attention, your audience scrolls right past. Always start with a question, a bold statement, or something that makes people curious enough to stop scrolling. Mistake number two, talking at people instead of with them. Social media is about conversations, not monologues. If every post feels like an ad, people tune you out. Ask questions, use polls, encourage comments. Engagement only happens when you make it two-way. And mistake number three, inconsistency. Posting 3 times 1 week, then disappearing for 2 weeks, it kills trust. The algorithm rewards consistency, and so does your audience. Even 2 posts a week done consistently beats random bursts of content. So, if your engagement is flat, check for these three mistakes: weak hooks, one-way content, and inconsistency. Fix them and watch your reach grow. And if you want content that hooks, engage, and stay consistent, we can help. Check the link below to get started. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.